place not far from here. Boy, I was scared.
Yeah.
I was afraid. Tell us more. What for? Why were you afraid? There was a creature who could
No.
It had to be at least 3 times my size. With smelly feet and skin that was prickly.
Bleh.
I had to be quick, so I stopped, took a breath, deep down in my chest, and I smiled at him. Then he smiled at me.
Yeah.
What a surprise! Turns out he was nice, brave. I guess I was brave. You were definitely brave. I suppose I was brave. You were brave until the end. Now you've made a brave mistake. You were brave. He was definitely brave.
Yeah.
Brave. Another time, another place. There was a meal that I once had. Everything seemed great, but then on my plate there was salad. Salad, terrifying. How did you stay calm? It was hard to stay calm, I have to admit. I was ready to run, I was ready to quit. There were leaves everywhere, so many things could go wrong. What did you do? I stopped, took a breath, deep down in my chest, and I tried it. Then I tried some more. Then a bit more. Why? What for? It turns out he was delicious. Brave. I guess I was brave. You are definitely brave. Salad can be scary sometimes. So brave for you to do. Yeah, to try something so terrible.